Here is some luggage I just ordered. It came all the way from Japan. They got it to me within just a few days. Can't believe how fast it came. I got this for my wife. We're going to be traveling around Europe, and I wanted some Japanese style. I think the Japanese style, they travel a lot. They know how to travel, and they design good luggage. Now this one I was a little bit disappointed right off the bat because, as you can see, Ace and Protecta market themselves as made in Japan. I was kind of hoping this is made in Japan. It says made in China. Of course, I think the Japanese product would be better, but that's not going to discourage me here, so I'm going to keep a positive light on this. That just opened right up. Let's give you a little bit of a tour here. So we'll open this up. My wife has a lot of, she loves pockets, so I was attracted to that. So there's a big pocket right here. Plus, it's nice to look at. I don't know about the strength. I'm really disappointed. I can't really send it back. I wouldn't have bought it if I'd known it was made in China. I wish Ace, if you're watching this, would better market your products and explain where it's from. Anyway, there's this little separator thing. We're both really well traveled. We travel all over the world. So let's see what it looks like in here. I'll put the model number in the description. Looks like we need to, I'm not the best videographer. It's not like I'm one of these professional guys, but comes with that little case. That's the flip out area, which is nice. You get a lot of pockets. There's the HaNT brand. Zipper feels good. It's lightweight. There's a warranty. Ace. I wish you would have told me it's made in China. But anyway, let's take a look at the size is nice. I'm a big fan of always using a carry-on. I guess I can trust these for a little while. There's a lot of rubber there. They swivel nice. I get the impression they can kind of be beat up a little bit and not break, although this, I don't know the strength of this plastic. I've got a Samsonite. It's made in the Netherlands, I think, that I travel with, that I've really beat the crap out of over the last couple years. So we'll see how this holds up. Hope you enjoyed the video.